Nova, sit gonien esimagon, Dracarys.
Have you ever wished that s'mores could be big enough to share? Let me show you how to make a delicious cake inspired by my favorite campfire snack. This torched meringue cake has everything you love about s'mores. A soft graham cracker base, a layer of rich chocolate ganache, and a heap of toasted, fluffy Italian meringue. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees. Cream together the softened butter, brown sugar, and regular sugar. Then we add our eggs. Add them in one at a time and make sure to mix in between each egg. Now add a splash of vanilla extract. Fold in the crushed graham crackers, flour, and baking powder. Mix the batter just until everything is combined. Pour the batter into your lined cake tin and set it in the oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the cake is golden brown. Set the cake on the counter and let it cool down completely. For the ganache, heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until you see steam. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate drops and let it sit for about 30 seconds. Stir until the chocolate is melted and the ganache is smooth and glossy. Gently spread your chocolate ganache evenly over the cooled cake base. Once you're happy with how the ganache layer looks, we're going to pop the cake into the fridge to chill. This will make sure that the ganache sets so we get clean layers when we cut into our cake. Now it's time for the star of the show, the marshmallow meringue. Heat the sugar and water in a saucepan until it reaches 118 degrees. While that's heating up, whip the egg whites to soft peaks. When the sugar syrup is ready, slowly pour it into the whipped egg whites. Make sure to keep whipping until meringue gets perfectly thick and glossy. Grab your cake from the fridge and spread over a generous layer of that meringue.
Nova, sit gonien esimagon, Dracarys.
Using a kitchen torch, toast the meringue until it's golden brown and lightly caramelized. Or just keep torching to your heart's content.
Dracarys, Dracarys, Dracarys.
If you can resist the urge of digging right in, let the cake rest before slicing. That way, you have a beautiful, clean slice. And that's all it takes to make this incredible s'mores-inspired cake. Buttery, rich, dark chocolate ganache, and that nostalgic taste of gooey, toasted marshmallows. Bite of all 3 layers. Now that's what I'm talking about. Oh wow, the dark chocolate ganache with a graham buttery base. Perfect for days when you want s'mores without the hassle of a bonfire.